Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Jordan and I'm so happy you're here. I make videos on beauty, health, and Jesus content, so I really hope you'll stay and subscribe. Today's video is going to be a very exciting review. I got reached out to someone who sells Yasonic on Amazon. They are a professional seller for this brand and they want me to try out the Yasonic shower caddy in bronze. I was able to pick which one I wanted, which I thought was really cool, so I can make sure that I am sticking to my style and what works out for my current shower setup. So I will be unboxing this. I have not opened this yet, and then I will also be doing a demo. Now this is a 2-day process. Once you do put the adhesive on your shower wall, you do have to wait 24 hours to then actually put the shelf on. I will get into all the details soon, but I just want to thank the brand. I'm very excited and grateful to be able to try out this product, so thank you so much. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. I didn't have scissors, so I just used a pen. Alright, just gonna hide my address. Here we are, and here is the shower caddy in this box. This is a 3-pack shower caddy. Oh, and just to let you know, so I have the bronze one. It also comes in black and silver. It is stainless steel. It's rust proof. These are for your corners. That way it can really maximize the space in your shower, because not all showers are big and massive. Most of them are very small. So this will really help to save space without cluttering your entire shower with all of your items. So the maximum load that this can hold is 40 pounds. So just to note, this will only fit a 90-degree corner. It will not fit a round corner. This process will not damage your walls. There are no tools required, and it's an easy installation. And even the shelf, see right there on the box, on the sides there are little hooks. So then you could maybe put a little washcloth on the hook. You could put a type of spa or shower brush on there. So I have this body exfoliator that I got from my natural health food store, and it looks like it could be some sort of like dry brush. It's meant to be used with water, and it has a little loop on it so you can hang it, but I don't have anywhere to hang it in my shower, so this would be perfect. So I'm not hanging it outside of my shower and then forgetting that it's even there. So this will be really helpful, and to remind myself to actually use that. Besides using this in your bathroom and your shower, you can also use this in the kitchen, you can use it in your bedroom, and you can use it in an office. Ooh, pretty. Comes with 3 pieces and then the adhesives. This piece is the soap holder. So here is one corner piece. The little hooks right here and also here. So these two are both the same size, so I could put this on the same corner. I can make it like stacked like this on the wall. You can put your little soap dish like above. You can put your soap dish near it. You can put it on a different wall, corner, whatever. Besides the shelving, of course, this is what you will attach to the shower wall. It also comes with a set of instructions. So now that I've showed you everything, let's get to the demo so I can show you how to set this up. And then at the end of the 24 hours, I will be able to put the shelves on these hooks after they've sat for 24 hours. And then I will be able to put my stuff on the shelves, which is the best part, of course. Okay, here is an overview of the shower before I clean and do all of the applications. Water and an old rag, and I wiped the surface that I will be putting the shelves on. And now taking a new rag, I will be wiping the surface so it will be dry to put the adhesives on. Now I am going to place the shelf where I would like it to go, and I am using an expo marker to make the markings, which I do recommend because it is very easy to rub off, so you're not using a permanent marker or something very noticeable that you cannot take off later on. I am taking off the adhesive, which is super sticky. It's super strong, so just be careful where you are placing it. I am placing it as best I can along that little line that I drew with the expo marker, making sure that it is a straight line, and then I am just rubbing in the sticker to make sure it is fully stuck on. Here is a little close-up of what the adhesives look like stuck to the wall. Now I'm working on clipping this soap holder to the adhesive so I can configure it where I want to on the wall. And while I am configuring it, I am taking the other shelf and placing it where it's supposed to be, so that way I can figure out where exactly I want the soap holder and if I'm putting it over or under to make sure that there is enough room to grab the product. Now I am repeating the same process as the other shelf, and I am marking the spot where I want this adhesive and soap holder to go. Taking off the soap holder adhesive and sticking it on the wall along the line that I marked with. Working on the other side of the shower, I'm repeating the same process of cleaning the wall with water and drying it, and then reconfiguring where I want this other shelf to go, marking the wall and applying the adhesive where it needs to go. As I mentioned before, be very careful where you are sticking the adhesive because it is so strong, and I accidentally stuck it in a place where I did not mean to, and thankfully I was able to get it off with a little bit of might. It is day 2 and I can finally hook the shelves onto the adhesives, which is super exciting. Now with this first shelf, I stuck the adhesive just a little bit too close to the right and meant to do it to the left. So again, be very careful where you're sticking them. But here we have the final look. Super excited. So nice. I love the little hooks. It makes everything so much easier to hook anything that you need to, including a shower speaker. Before I hook on some of the products, I am going to put my hair mask in the soap holder because I don't use bar soap, but my hair mask fit so perfectly in that holder. And then I am just hooking my scalp massager onto one of the bars of the soap holder. That worked perfectly fine. And now I'm adding my shampoo, conditioner, body wash, amongst my other go-to shower products. Onto the other side of the shower, I unfortunately messed up one of the adhesives where I put it in the wrong direction when I meant to put it a little bit into the other direction, and I could not put the shelf on, unfortunately, because it would not fit right. The way to remove it is with a hair dryer, and it says it will take about 3 minutes to remove the adhesive, but unfortunately it took me 18 minutes, which I will not show you the entire 18 minutes of that process, but unfortunately the adhesive was much harder to take off, and I did have to use a lot of might to get the adhesive off because it is so strong. As you can see, it is a process, but it's all good because I realized after this that I just don't really need a third shelf, so I will find another use for that shelf. Despite this little mess up, I am very grateful to have been able to try out this product, and I love the way that the 2 other shelves look on the other side. That is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of all my future uploads of beauty, health, and Jesus content. Comment below if you plan on getting the shower caddy set on Amazon. This is so cool and I cannot wait to use it. I'm so excited. I do have the little shelf in my shower, but I can only fit so much on there. So this will really help. And also when my family comes to visit, I try to make as much space as I can, but this will help them as well. So they actually have areas to put their stuff. My shower, it has like a tub on the bottom. So there's the 4 corners, but those corners on like the tub part are really small and you can't fit much on there. So this will help tremendously. So I'm very grateful to be getting this. Thank you so much. Definitely use my link in the description box if you plan on buying this. And I hope you have the best day ever. I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye!